Namaskar, myself Bayana and the video is prepared on the occasion of World Mental Health Day 2021.
The morning that dawns with good thoughts and optimism. The darkness beneath the stars as the moon fades. The rays from the sun heating inside and outside. The rain that warms the body and mind.
Wow, how many variations of nature do we go through? Our nature, which goes through so many different forms every day, has a culture of its own, doesn't it? Similarly, human beings also go through so many forms, emotions, and culture. Culture is a broad term that encompasses beliefs, values, norms, behaviors, and overall can be understood as our way of being. When you go out into the world, you will come into contact with people from different backgrounds and walks of life. It's a good rule of thumb to honor cultural diversity with your actions. Thus, cultural diversity is the existence of a variety of cultural groups within a society which can share many different characteristics. They include culture, religion, ethnicity, language, nationality, sexual orientation, class, gender, age, disability, health differences, geographic location, and lots of other things. Culture can influence many aspects of a person's life, and this can be reflected in the mental well-being. Cultural diversity across the world has significant impacts on the many aspects of mental health, ranging from the ways in which health and illness are perceived, health-seeking behavior, attitudes of the consumer, as well as the practitioners and mental health systems. Hi guys, how many people were in trouble and concerned because they can't get around in foreign countries or nearby places because of COVID? After all, have we been able to move out of our own homes freely and fearlessly for the past 2 years? We feared a virus that was not human species and couldn't be seen with the naked eyes. But how many people in the world have lost their fearlessness because of the views of their own species? How many people were evicted from their homes and lands during this COVID lockdown era? So, we understand that living outside the country one was born in may not always be due to personal choice. Some people may have been displaced for reasons beyond their control, such as civil war or natural disasters. They now find themselves in a culture that they do not fully understand or that doesn't fully understand them. It can be difficult enough to cope with the challenges that these situations produce without the added complication of mental illness. Research says that migrant refugees are mostly associated with low quality of life and disability. The results of a recent study from Palestine indicate that a significant proportion of Palestinians experiencing serious issues that deal with several challenges, distinct barriers including inconsistent availability of medications, absence of multidisciplinary teamwork, insufficient specialists, fragmented mental health system, and occupation. The World Health Organization reports that anxiety disorders are the most common mental health disorders worldwide. While one group of people drinks the bitter water of cultural diversity, another group enjoys the privilege of the same cultural diversity, destroying the imbalance of humanity and human justice. As the world is increasingly polarized, it's our duty to hold our fellow beings with us together. Besides, there is a need to implement a mental health care system through multidisciplinary work and raising awareness regarding the prevalence of mental disorders. We know that happiness is the balance of emotions. All human beings can be equally happy only if every human being is balanced in that regard. In this Mental Health Day, let us decide to take attempts to reduce the ever wider growing gap between the haves and the have-nots and their continuing unmet need in the care of people with a mental health problem, thereby spread happiness and well-being. Thank you.